Are you getting all the essential vitamins your body needs? Let's find out. Here are the top 8 vitamins every healthy diet must have. Simple, colorful, and super easy to remember. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 8. Vitamin A. Think vision and immunity. Vitamin A helps your eyes stay sharp and your immune system strong. Find it in carrots and sweet potatoes. Pro tip: 1 carrot a day helps meet needs. Number 7. The B complex. The dream team for energy and brain power. Eggs, leafy greens. Toss some spinach into your salad for a daily boost. Number 6. Vitamin C oranges and strawberries. Vitamin C helps fight bugs and keep skin fresh. Grab a handful of berries as a snack. Number 5. Vitamin D. All about strong bones and a good mood. Sunlight and salmon. Just 10-15 minutes of sun a day can help. Number 4. Vitamin E. Think smooth skin and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds. Sprinkle almonds on oatmeal for a tasty boost. Number 3. Vitamin K. Important for blood clotting and healthy bones. Spinach and kale. Add a handful of greens to your smoothie or omelet. Number 2. Vitamin B12. Key for making red blood cells and supporting nerves. Meat is a primary source, and fortified plant foods for those who are plant-based. If you're vegan, choose fortified options or discuss supplements with a pro. And number 1, folate or vitamin B9, essential for DNA and cell growth, especially important in pregnancy. Lentils and beans, plus avocados. Try avocado toast for a folate hit. Quick recap: the 8 to remember. Vitamin A, carrots, sweet potatoes. B complex, eggs and leafy greens. Vitamin C, oranges and strawberries. Vitamin D, sunlight and salmon. Vitamin E, nuts and seeds. Vitamin K, spinach and kale. Vitamin B12, meat and fortified foods. Folate, beans, lentils, avocado. Make sure your diet includes them all. Quick tips for daily intake. Tip 1, eat a variety. Color equals nutrients. Tip 2, small servings often. Snacks count. Tip 3, check labels for fortified foods. Tip 4, talk to a nutrition pro if unsure. Icons to remember each vitamin. Build a balanced plate with these foods. Protein, greens, fruits, and healthy fats. Small swaps add up. Try 1 swap today. You don't need perfection, just better choices each day. Do you need supplements? Sometimes, especially if diet lacks key foods. How much? Look up recommended daily values or ask a pro. Whole foods first. Fortified foods and supplements as needed. Pregnancy. Prioritize folate and consult your clinician. Small changes, consistent habits. Fast montage, foods that cover the list. Each image labeled with the vitamin it provides. Serving suggestions flash, mix and match. Make it a family habit. Meals together help consistency. Food fuels life. Start simple. Boost your health by including these vitamins in your meals. Like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. Find more recipes and tips on our channel. Thanks for watching. A to D, A, B, C, D, E, K, B12, folate. 1 change today. 1 healthier you tomorrow. Variety, small servings, check labels, recap coming up. Remember, whole foods first. Check off what you eat this week. Small steps add up. Hit like and subscribe for more. See you next time. A, B complex, C, D, E, K, B12, folate. Boost your health by including these vitamins in your diet. Like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips.